So this is easy to change. Man, this would be a beautiful house for, you know what my thinking behind this house is?
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Mastery at the mansion.
Mastery at the mansion. I like it.
What do you think?
I like it.
You know, I mean, do like a mastermind because it's got 7 bedrooms, right? And a butler's pantry. I think I can get away with this at this house. This is like going to a high-end restaurant, right?
Look.
That's for $4,000. I could do wonders to this house. Huh?
So I'm lost already. How do we get back to the Wow. Oh, wow.
Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh my God, what I do?
What do you think, Joseph?
It's really nice.
You should buy this house.
What's it go for?
It was listed at 1.7 million.
I feel like it's a good deal, man.
Now it's 1.5 million.
I like how classic it is. It's not overdone, it's not modern.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.
4, 5. You got 5 furnaces.
You want to do something with this, like a game room or something? Cigar room?
There should be a wine cellar here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, we could pick it up from a million, dump 5 or 1,000 into it, but then we got to come up with an idea to come up with a mastery. I mean, I'm being that serious about it. So. Huh? We could build a cigar tent right here. Just put up a cigar tent. Besides getting the pool up and running, you wouldn't have to do much here. That would need to be redone. Love this room. This is a nice ass room. You know what we cool here is to do a modern Western theme. Like, you know, like get the, can you imagine? Take this out, right? Put those big moose antlers, right?
In this room, yeah, for sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Because it's so big that you start doing too much to this, you lose a bloody fortune. But if you take this and turn the whole house into almost like a hunting lodge, right? It's like a great big, because it's got all those characteristics, right? Like as if it was a hunting lodge in Colorado or something. So, his office. Where's the, oh, so this is the couch. This is one of the bedrooms, right? Second bedroom.
Each bedroom has a full bath. So.
Yeah. Where's the master on this thing? Maybe it's upstairs. There's people here already. Yeah, let's maybe make an appointment. We'll come back, man. If I can make this house work, we got to just figure out how to sell 2 million in mass free extra a year. And make it this a big, huge mastery party house. No way, man. Nah, that's not a master, dude.
Did they put the master back here?
Maybe on the other side. Hey, Harry. Yeah, those people are here already. We'll come back because this is already REO owned. So, because there's a stairways going up there. So, let's. All right, guys, bye.